He is providing a 50% off of your copay in terms of getting a full physical. And this is unprecedented, unheard of. And so we are excited to be welcoming Dr. Kyjuan Brown. I'm going to give it to
So I had to be here for this portion because I've heard a lot about this Dr. Brown. To be Bermudian, but I heard his name, I think of him. And I was trying to figure out, okay, do I know him? And my husband said, oh, you know him, his dad said so I couldn't figure it out, right? But we have heard so many wonderful things about this young man, and I'm excited that we have him here back in Bermuda to do some creative and unique things, shall I say? And you notice he's a young person? He is not. So, looking forward to hearing a lot from Dr. Brown, and you're going to enjoy it. But before I hand it over to him, I want to thank again the guys from Mass. I'll take two, one for me and my husband. I'm serious with signing up. That is some serious coverage. And I don't think we're going to be without that. But again, as Leon said, without further ado, I'm going to hand you over to Dr. Brown. Enjoy the session.
Good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm only 23, okay? I'm not as young as that. But I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be a part of the age concern, the health gap Moongate. And when Leon actually presented me with this idea, I'm like, of course, I'm Bermudian. I'm here to help. I'm here to help those who have helped me to get to where I am. Because all of you guys have done an amazing job. Because many of you have gone through trials and tribulations and all sorts to give us the opportunity to go off and get an education and to become all that we can be as Bermudians. And I hail from Hamilton Parish. My grandparents are Norris and Jeanette Burgess. My father's family is from the Pembroke area, Nobby's Bar, UB, and all of those guys. Apparently those are my families, okay, so we're right there. I've actually been practicing medicine for about 6 years now, and it just seems like yesterday I graduated from Cedar Bridge Academy as the first medical graduate. So, I've been for about 4 years, just going on 5 years now, and I've started my own practice as of last year, May. We're located on Northshore Road next to CQGM, so we're over there overlooking the water. And we call ourselves the Community Medical Office because we're actually bordering both Pembroke and Devonshire, which is kind of the largest parishes. And it was only by chance, I'm like, I'm going to take this leap of faith and I'm going to go down to a building that my family owns and that was procured for me actually years ago for this particular purpose, and we're making it happen. We are a different sort of medical facility, and some of my patients who are nodding their heads like, yeah, they are. We're completely different from the environment to the welcome you get, to the warm towel and the vitamin-infused water that you receive upon entering the doors. Things are slightly different. We are a med spa, and as a med spa, we both do the whole line of medical, and we also do aesthetics and massages and health and wellness and life coaching. Because my whole thinking in reference to medicine is that it's not just your illness that you come to me with. Sometimes we have a whole lot of other things that are contributing to it. And instead of me giving you a pill to solve a particular element of that condition, you may have to need to go sit on a couch and talk to somebody and say hello, all right? And these are the things that we offer. So we have life coaching, nutrition, full medical services from your annual physical exams, TCD exams. I had one of my singers, I don't see her here, so I'll mention her. Not by her name, but she did not have her driver's license renewed for about 3-4 years. She's just been driving around. I'm like, you gotta get yourself together. So you can come down when you need to, and usually we can take you at the same day, okay? For your TCD physical exams, you have to do them every year to keep your license renewed. In addition to physicals and TCDs exams, I think it's I think it's after like 65 or 70, something like that. 70 is every year? And every 5 years after 65? Yeah, all that information, I guess we can get to you from age concern. But yes, you do have to at a certain age come every year to get your physical exam, just to make sure that you're fit enough to drive, okay? Apart from annual exams, physical exams, TCEs, etc., we have in-house labs, so you don't have to go run around town trying to get your blood work done. You come onto one facility and have it all done and then go about your merry way and enjoy the things that you do most. Apart from that, I also do home visits. And I reserve my home visits only for my special seniors. Okay? and in the event that you was unable to come to the office for whatever reason, I'm able to come out to you. And that type of service, I know the doctors used to do it back in the days, and I'm happy to continue that. And I provide a lot of care for patients, even those patients who are in palliative care and having terminal illnesses and need for me to come out to you know, give them medications or just to check up on them. I'm more than happy to do that. For those who those of you who are younger at heart, the cardiac exercise stress testing, where you get on that treadmill and run out, and we check your heart to make sure that it's fit and healthy. We offer that as well. ECGs and spirometry. When I started my office back in May, my own office back in May, I was like, you know, I can't be having seniors paying all this money out of pocket just to see a doctor. Okay. So actually our fees are cut for seniors, just regular. This is apart from Moongate by I think 55% off the normal rate. So you can come in and have a full physical exam. And I, as my patient, you know, I don't rush you. We can sit there and talk about old times and everything else and your family and your dog. And we will try to get to your concerns as well. So it's never really a 5-minute visit, but you're scheduled for. But that's just me being a Bermudian and just want to be connected with my patients. Because once again, I can learn a lot about what Bermuda used to be, as well as how you perceive your particular illness, just by sitting down and having a conversation. So yeah, it's about 55% less than our regular, than our patients who have regular insurance. So this is for future care and hip patients. And then of course, if you present the Moongate health gap card, it's 50% off your annual visit. And that's a 45-minute full head-to-toe physical examination where we go through every piece of everything and just make sure that you're healthy. Because you know, we want you to live longer, and many of us are as a result of modern medicine. Before, the average expectancy or life expectancy was about 50, 45, and then up to 55, and now I have one of my patients, she's running around here at 99, and she's telling me that she's going to live for another 99 years. Before herself, I just tell her, don't fall, okay? And you'll be okay. But that's pretty much what we offer at the Northshore Medical Center on the medical side. And then, if you want to come down for relaxation, we offer full body massage by 2 of our certified massage therapists. And for those individuals that want to keep looking and staying young, we offer a whole range of lifestyle facelift procedures and Botox and chemical peels and all those things to keep us looking 25. Amen. Yeah, it's all about aging gracefully. And I had one of my seniors come down the other day, and she was like, "Is this vanity?" I'm like, "Darling, you really don't need it, but you know what? You're 80 something. You're like 87. You look like you're about 50, and you just want to keep it together and stay looking young and healthy." So we take care not only the inside, but the outside as well. I'm now going to introduce just one of my colleagues, Preston James, and he's our lifestyle nutritionist. He's just going to give you a brief overview of what he does. And let me tell you a bit before he comes up here. You may hear his radio show. He's on Hot 107.5. Lifestyle and Preston. That's Preston.
Family. Hey now, family. Seems that you're tuning in. I like to hear that. I